A Discord server is a virtual space where people can chat, share files, and communicate in real time. It's like a community for users to come together and talk about their common interests. A Discord server is made up of multiple channels, which can be organized by topic or purpose. For example, there may be a general channel for casual conversation, a gaming channel for discussing games, and a music channel for sharing music. And the best part is, you can create your own Discord server or join an existing one. This makes it easy to find a community that aligns with your interests and hobbies. But what makes Discord servers so popular compared to other online communities? Discord servers are popular because they offer a wide range of features that make communication and collaboration easy. You can make voice and video calls, share screens, send files, and more. This versatility makes Discord servers a great choice for communities of all sizes and interests. In addition, Discord servers are easy to customize. You can add your own custom emotes, set custom backgrounds, and even change the color scheme. This level of customization gives your server a personal touch and makes it feel like your own. In conclusion, a Discord server is a virtual space where users can come together and communicate in real time. With its wide range of features, customization options, and easy-to-use interface, it's no wonder why Discord servers are so popular.